Hey y'all, so I'm home today. I'm off today. Mason's at school, so this is the time where I can get stuff done. So I just bought, her room is a hot mess. Really, my whole house is a mess, so I got to get that together. If y'all have any like ideas on how to hide these, I look on Pinterest and stuff like that, but who really has time to build a box to put around them? You know how they be doing all that crazy shit. I don't know. But anyways, so I'm over here trying to like organize and stuff. This is her closet. She has like a billion dresses because she's such a fashionista and a socialite. So I bought this thing here, and I think I'm gonna fill it up with her dress up clothes. Because this little purple box that she got right here, it's all like crushed and stuff. We've had it for a long time. I've had it since like before she was born, so like 4 years ago. And so it's just crushed. It's been through the motions. So y'all just sit tight. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all all these dress up clothes that she has. Y'all gonna laugh at her. Hold on. Through shoes. Okay, so this is her Tinkerbell costume from like the Halloween like year before last. She was Tinkerbell. I put glitter in her hair and everything. We was wiping glitter off for like weeks. There's glitter everywhere. But at the top, she has a Supergirl cape. Yup, crazy. And of course, every princess has a princess hat. I used to work at Joe's Crab Shack, and they have like all these different props and stuff for like birthdays. So they would always let her take a prop. So I think some of the stuff in here, well, she used to have a lot of stuff. She used to have like a guitar and what else she had? A tail. She still has a tail. She has this hat. She used to have like a sombrero. I don't know. They used to let her go home with all this stuff. I used to spoil the mess out of her. But that's gonna go in here. And then this is an old dress. She's had this for like ever. You can see that she has loved it so much. I need to probably sew this back because the straps almost broke. But I was probably meant to do this to sew this back, see? But you can just tell it's just been loved. It's just been loved. It used to be to the point where when she got home from any place after being dressed in regular day clothes, that she would just immediately strip and put on that dress. Now she just puts on all her other dresses. She's like, I don't have to wear that dress when I have so many. She thinks these dresses are dress up dresses. And then her little sash from her birthday, I kept it. It's so cute. She didn't even wear it. She was doing way too much. So that goes in there. We have this. This was from Christmas. Her auntie Stacy got this for her. Shout out Stacy. Isn't it cute? She wore it for her Christmas Christmas performance at school. She was the only one. She didn't want to wear it at first. Like when I sent her to school, she was like, I was like, Mayson, wear your let's wear your little skirt. They had these little shirts that had they had made Rudolph out of their foot and put it on these little white shirts. I was like, Mayson, let's wear your skirt. She was like, no, mommy, no one's gonna be my friend if I wear that skirt. I was like, Mayson, yes, you're gonna be so cute. You're gonna be the cutest one. Lo and behold, she was so happy that she wore that skirt because she was the eye of the team, eye of the prize. Of course, Doc McStuffins, her little doctor. I don't know what the other part of this thing is. Put that up there. And then Moana. She has her little, here's the little skirt. Isn't it cute? I am Moana. Don't mind me. So we're gonna hang that up. And then she has a little witch's hat. We'll hang that up. See, she has her little tail. So put that in there. And then she has this witch's costume. But I made her a vampire on Halloween. So I did her up. She had like makeup on and like teeth and blood. She was so cute. She loved it. She loved it. You should see that. I'm gonna show you a picture of what she was looking like. This is what she wore. It's so cute. We were all vampires that year. And of course, we got Elsa because I don't know, She just loves Elsa. So we went to a birthday party, and she likes Elsa and she likes Belle from Beauty and the Beast. She'll watch Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast is on Netflix, and I actually have the DVD too. And she will watch it, even the real version with Emma Watson, I believe. She'll watch them all the time. She just loves it. I don't know why. I think it's a love story. I used to love Beauty and the Beast too. I don't know. It's just something about it. But she also has this weird obsession with Elsa. But what kid doesn't, right? But she went to this birthday party for one of her classmates. And the lady had Princess Tiana and Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And Mayson just was drawn to Belle. Like, she just did not care about Princess Tiana. I felt so bad because I know that it was, you know, it was a white birthday party. And so I know she had Princess Tiana to, you know, adhere to appeal to the, you know, children of color. Because she did have some children of color there. Not just black kids, it's, like I said, children of color. So I thought that was really nice of her. But Mayson just wanted Belle. This is a little tutu. She was at school this year. She was Rainbow Dash, so I kind of made her costume. This is her little skirt, and then this was her little tail for her unicorn. So yeah, I like to make her costumes and stuff for Halloween. I like to make my own costumes. I just think it means a whole lot more. But it was for her first Halloween. For her first Halloween, let me see if I can. Did I have it the wrong way? I do. I got it the wrong way. So for her first Halloween, she was a fall fairy. She was a fall fairy. So I made her this. And it's pretty much, she was a little baby. So I put a little white long sleeve shirt on her. And then I pulled this all the way up so that it sat right underneath her armpits, so like a dress. And then she had a little headpiece that came with it and some little wings. And she was just like a little fall fairy. I put glitter on her little face, and it was cute. And it was really easy. I mean, making this took hell of a long time. But I started on it really early, and it was cute. I think I have pictures. I know I have pictures. I think some pictures are actually on my Instagram. You have to go like way back in the day though, because this is like literally 4 years ago. That's that. I'm gonna hang this up or her little hook out there because this will not fit in there, but we're gonna start putting some organization into this room because right now it's just a whole bunch of things going on. So I bought some little bins that I'm gonna put on the wall. I'm gonna straighten everything up. I already changed her comforter and her sheets. And I'm just going to start changing some things up because she's getting older. She's doing a lot more things, arts and crafts, and she's able to play more independently. So I need to be able to have things in like separate containers and really organized so that she can find things. Because I think that's probably why she doesn't play with a lot of stuff, because it's hard for her to find them. So that is on my to-do list for today. Also to go pay off this ticket. So y'all be coming with me to see that too. Peace. Get some more coffee. Let's check on Monty. I ain't heard from him in a while. So, where is he? He's chilling on the outside. I just got him. I saved him, I guess. Hey, Pooh. I saved him from the Humane Society. He was there. I would go visit him. Like for about 3 weeks I visited him. He was only there for about 3 weeks. Like when I started visiting him, he had just gotten there. And just fell in love with him, and now he's mine. I have a vlog of when I went to go get him. I didn't vlog actually getting him because it was just a lot. You need to take a bath because you're starting to shed. But yeah, this is Monty. Say hey, big man. Hey, big man. Hey, big man. Hey, big man. So I'm a freshly new cat owner, and I'm gonna tell you, I am learning. It's pretty much like being a new mom. Like I'm like a new mom, just to a new species of being, and I just have to get used to how he works. I have to tire him out just like a regular baby and child, and I didn't know all those things. Like I just thought he just went to sleep because my mom has a dog. His name is Luke, and although she takes him out and takes him outside and stuff like that. Like, he's just naturally lazy. Like, he's just naturally tired now. I remember back in the day, though, when he was a puppy, he used to be crazy. Like, I remember, like, me and my sister have crazy stories about when we were younger. But yeah, so hold fast. So this is the situation right now. See, all that needs to be organized over there. I bought her some new stuff, some new toys. Now her bed needs to be made. It's just a hot mess in here. So I bought this contact paper that looks like chalk, a chalkboard. And I have chalk actually, and I'm gonna cover the top of this table. And if she wants to draw on it, now she can with the chalk paper. So stay with me while I do that. That's our finished product, and I'm just gonna put her arts and crafts up there, and hopefully she likes it. All right, y'all, so we picking up Mayson from school. I finally put some makeup on and took a shower, brushed my teeth, did stuff like that. But I have to show y'all because I cleaned up and I got everything done with the house that I wanted to get done. Only thing I haven't done is laundry. Thank God I don't feel like doing that, but I didn't get done. I gotta go pick up, after I'm done picking up Mayson, I gotta go to the courthouse and pay these tickets off. Ticket, plural, excuse me. But, yeah, that's exciting. So, I'll get y'all back when I get her. It's a video. In the video, I see you act so mean. You not gonna my margarita, we gonna fight. Alright. So, picked up Mayson, paid off my ticket. Thank the Lord, it wasn't as much as I thought. We finally legal.
Seriously? But I had crack.
She's so crazy. She's so crazy. So we're just at Joe's, just ordered me a margarita. So I'm just gonna enjoy my day off. But I'm just getting appetizers because when I get home, I'm gonna make some shrimp and grits. Does that make me fat? We're the only ones in here too, look. No sweat off my sack. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna stop her.
You poo-poo in your pile and you say
Thank you.
Cherries are cool.
Yes.
Who's coming up right now, guys?
Thank you, friend. Oh, he made us good.
Big one. No, the other. Carrie.
Look good. Dip it in there, then you dip it in there.
That's so spicy.
Just a little bit, just a little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit, just a little bit. It may be too spicy for you. Bye.
Who's this? Who's that? It's like that on my head.